Welcome officially to a Sunday in my life. I've pretty much just been taking it easy all morning, and it is now 10. I've been listening to Yours Truly by Abby Jimenez, clearly. But I finished getting my makeup on and getting ready and everything, and I come upstairs and Joe's gone. So I called him, he went to Walmart, but maybe I want to go to Walmart. So I had him come back and get me. Now I'm just waiting on my husband Joe to come and get me so that we can go to Walmart. Who knows where else we'll go. But yeah, it's a rainy Sunday here. I don't have any plans. Probably just gonna mosey at home, go out for a couple of things. To be honest, I have no idea what today is gonna look like, and that's kind of fun, right? If you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe. My name is Brooke. I'm 27. I'm married. I have Pfeiffer syndrome, so I'm living life with a facial difference, and I've been really loving sharing my life recently, so follow along. Love it here. Yeah, let's go to Walmart. I don't know that my outfit makes total sense, but I'm wearing a sweater with leggings and my Ugg boots. Again, don't think that makes sense, but it's raining. I just didn't know I was even gonna leave the house, so I threw it on. Now I'm wearing Selena Gomez's body spray. I don't know if it's worth the hefty little price, but I feel really good when I'm wearing it, and it smells really good. But all right, let's go to Walmart officially now. Definitely need to pause this so I could leave. I read and listen to books at the same time, so if I'm not able to read this at the time, then I will listen to it. Very odd lunch, but delicious nonetheless. She just scared me so bad. What are you doing in there? Hi. Hi. When we were at Walmart today, I saw these knobs. I thought they would look perfect in my bathroom. This is what I have. This is what I have now, and I just feel like these will look a lot better and will match the black accents and things in this bathroom. Look how much better that looks. No, it doesn't match the sink, but oh my god, that looks so good. That looks so much more elevated. Looks good. This is why I love this bathroom, is because it has this very cute bath tray. But I don't really take baths, so, but it's cute. It's for the vibes. That just looks so much better. Oh, I love that. Into the Lego room. Those do look really good though. Wow.
That's why I've been putting off hanging this until I get the other three, so I can get my spacing right. But the piano's going to go right here.
And how are you on this beautiful Sunday? Are you doing so good? Are you doing so good? So regal, so handsome. If I make too strong of a pot of coffee, then I add water to it because I just drink, I don't know if you can see that, black coffee. So I had to add water to this because I'm not very good at making pots. Joe, my husband, amazing at making a pot. Me, I make rocket fuel and it's too strong for even me. So I did have to mix the half of this with water. It's better though. Sometimes I do make a good pot of coffee though. Sometimes it does happen. My least favorite thing to do is laundry, but we have a lot of it on the bed. So I'm going to play my audiobook and do some laundry. Put it away. I'm very thankful that my husband washed all of it for me. But yeah, we're gonna put away laundry. And for everyone on TikTok who wants to see my closet, it is the world's smallest closet ever, so incredibly underwhelming. But I'm gonna do laundry and then I'm gonna put on some comfy clothes. I don't even remember wearing this many sweatshirts this week. I'm gonna do some outfit planning and then I'll show you what I come up with. The lighting is not good, but I thrifted this dress and I'm wondering if I put this sweater over it and then wear my chocolate boots, if that's cute. Let me know. I can't tell. I also thrifted this sweater dress and I really love it. Oh my god, that's cute. Oh, this is the winner. I'm not wearing a bra. This is so good. I'm wearing this week. So get ready to see this again. I need a beverage. The Poppy Dog Pop is really not bad. I quite like it, and I don't even like Dr. Pepper, so I don't know how I like this because I don't like probiotic soda or Dr. Pepper, but I love this Dr. Pepper probiotic soda. Make it make sense. Best one, best one, best one. It's like, what time is it? 3:48. This is around the time I never know what to do with myself, what to do with the rest of my day. I could definitely finish my book today, so that is most likely going to happen. And we're having pork for dinner, pork and potatoes and vegetables. Once again, need to get my work bag ready. If you're new here, no, this is not real. Thank you, Mom, for the fake. This is real. She's real. I need to switch over my weekend bag stuff to my work bag stuff, so. I bought this from Walmart for $3 for work. It says to do, date, miscellaneous notes, and it's gonna be from my office desk. So bring it up. Time to remove the makeup. It's only 5 p.m.